the county.
Me. Games later.
Got a real neat 1961 Ford Econoline Pickup. Original AM radio. This one cleaned up real nice. We didn't do anything to the case. He didn't want the case painted or anything. We did polish the front end, polished the lens in it and the background, and done a conversion on it. Simple conversion. It's AM FM stereo. It has 4 channels out, 45 watts. It has a pre-out for a sub if you want to add a sub to it. It's got auxiliary in. Now back in '61, they made these radios without any toner switches. In other words, you can't change the tone on it. But we've eliminated that. Right now you're on, I'll show you how that works. This is what this little switch is for here. Right now you're on FM.
Babies. Drop in.
Cars. You know what it's really done is it's given us a vision.
360.
In judiciary and getting this job done so that he can have a.
If you don't go to AM, you just turn it off and right back on. Takes you to AM radio. There's 650.
When he smells smoke and the cinder.
Turn it off and right back on. Takes you back to stereo, FM. Now we don't have a toner switch, so what we've done is we've added a switch that you can put underneath the edge of your dash, out of the way. Plug it in after you get the radio in. And if you want to change the tone of your radio, balance and fader, if you plug in 4 speakers, all you do is push that switch in. You got treble and bass. After you get it set where you want it, just push it again. Now you're back on volume. Let's try it again. Push it in. Bass. Treble. Back to volume. You also have fader and balance if you put 4 speakers in it. Push the switch, find the center of that pod, which is about right there. Go clockwise twice. Now it's going to put you in the fader mode. As long as you're moving it, there's your rears, there's your fronts. Once you get everything set up where you want it, just stop. It'll beep once. Now, while you're in that mode, go the opposite direction, counterclockwise. That's going to put you in the balance mode, right and left. There's your rights, there's your lefts. Once you find what you want, just stop. It'll beep once. Now you're back on treble and bass. Get it set, push your button. Now you're back on volume, off and on. You have auxiliary in. You'll come with a 2-piece cable that you'll get, and all you do is plug in any device you want to, and it'll go straight to it. Once you turn your device off, you don't have to unplug it, just turn it off. The radio will cycle right back around to where you had it. It takes 20 seconds. If you don't wait the 20 seconds, just turn it off and right back on. It knows where you're at. Now if you turned it off and right back on again, it'll take you to AM radio. Off and right back on, take you back to stereo. That's your 1961 Econoline truck Ford, original radio. You have an operating LED right here to tell you where the radio is at, what status you're playing. Kind of a yellow is FM. Green, no, red is AM, and then green is auxiliary in. That's a stereo LED for when you find a stereo station. And these cords here, you unplug these. They're marked. When you put the radio in, you have two hanging down, you have two coming out of the back of this. You just drill a little small hole where I've got the indentation on the plate, and you run them through and mount this up, and then slip underneath the truck and plug these back in. And they are labeled and have grooves in them. So make sure to plug them in the right way, red to red, red to black. That's your 1961 original AM radio Ford. Thank you for letting me do it for you.